What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and today I got for you guys a new show. Some breaking news where I go over 5 or 6 news stories of the week, and hopefully this will be a once a week occasion. So let's look at the first story. So our first story of the day is a hardware story. AMD reveals its new liquid-cooled RX 6900 XT. This is a more powerful card than the air-cooled 6900 XT. It runs at higher clock speeds, 2150 versus 2015 megahertz, and it has a higher board power of 330 watts versus the 300 watts on the standard RX 6900 XT. Also, it has a higher bandwidth, going from 16 gigabits per second to 18 gigabits per second. It boasts that it has an HDMI 2.1 port, 2 display ports, and a single USB Type-C. Our next news story of the day is Microsoft Board of Directors appoints CEO Satya Nadella as the new chairman of the board, making him even more influential. He replaces John Thompson, who will move into a lead independent director role. Our next story is Tesla announces a new Model S Plaid. This version of the Model S will reach 200 miles per hour top speed, but it will only give you 348 miles, and it has to be on the new 21-inch upgraded wheels. Now, if you want a little bit more range, you go for the standard 19-inch wheel package, and that will get you up to almost 400 miles of range, about 390 miles. Now, you can always go for the long-range model, which gives you 405 miles EPA. This car is a beast. It gets to 60 miles an hour in 2 seconds, but it costs like a beast, $131,000. Next, Microsoft sets 2025 as the end date for Windows 10 support. You know what that tells me? Windows 11 has been leaked. It looks just like Windows 10 with a skin package. And from the way it looks like kind of like a hybrid of like a Unix, Linux - Mac OS and Windows. It's pretty interesting. Looking forward to trying it. It's been leaked out, so I'll try to get my hands on a copy and install it and see what kind of features it has and test it out. And the last story is the Cybertruck. It looked at home in mud and at work. I want one. I hope you guys enjoyed our news segment. If there's any kind of news stories that you guys would like me to cover, any kind of tech, other kind of text, drop it in the comment below so I can put it on my next video. And guys, remember, our giveaway is still going on for the Speedify router. In order to enter, I need you guys to do a few things. Just comment on this video, like, and subscribe to this channel. Then go over to my Instagram. Follow me there, like, comment, and tag 4 friends on my most recent post, and that will enter you into this giveaway. And may the odds be in your favor. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.